AJ, who broke your fire truck?
The Cuticans.
The skeletons broke your fire truck?
Yes.
Why'd they do that?
That's not really nice.
Not very nice. So it doesn't work anymore?
No. Say the wild.
So did you ask somebody for a new one?
Santa.
Santa. And what did you tell Santa?
It can't be some booty.
What did you tell Santa? Why do you need a new fire truck?
Because the
Why do you need a new fire truck? Who broke it?
The Cuticans.
Yeah.
That means a booty.
What else do the skeletons do?
I don't know.
When do they come?
I broke my fire truck.
When else do they come?
That. You.
Do they come at dinner time?
Yes.
Why?
Because you made dinner.
Yeah. If you don't eat their dinner, they get you, huh?
Stop, Cuticans! No, but my fire truck again, Cuticans. No for dinner. Is she not nice, Cuticans? She's not nice, Cuticans, Daddy. Is she not nice, Cuticans?
Yeah, they're not nice.
They bad?
Yeah, Daddy will chase them away for you, okay?
Is she not nice, Cuticans? My house.